we have Tyler here, our tap room manager. Thank you, Tyler, for taking some time
no
to
problem.
speak with us. If you don't mind introducing us to our 4 beers we have here, that would be great.
Absolutely, yes. The first one here we got is the award winner. It actually just took a silver this year at the Canadian Brewing Awards. It's our cream ale. It's a pre-prohibition style. That just means that it uses barley and corn in it as well. So it kind of gives it that really easygoing taste and just a subtle kind of hop note to it. But it's kind of the all-around appealing to everybody beer. And next we have our seasonal one. It's the pumpkin ale with a lovely cinnamon sugar rim.
Amazing. I can smell it.
Yeah, it's got really good aromatics to it. But we brew it with actual pumpkin in the brew and seasonal spices. Moving on to our nitro stout, the closest we'd have to like a Guinness. We use local coffee bean supplier and cocoa nibs in it to give it a chocolate kind of coffee stout note. And the nitro means it just uses beer gas instead of straight CO2. Last but not least, it's our IPA, the Indian Pale Ale. 4 or 5 different kind of hops in it. Gives it like a bright, citrusy, melony stone fruit note to it. But it is very, very hop forward with like a subtle malt backbone.
Hey folks, had a great time at Anderson's Craft Ales, segment 1 of our Ontario Breweries Series, episode 5. Our next segment, which will be airing soon, we visit downtown London's famous Toboggan Brewing. Awesome spot. Make sure to stay tuned for that. You can do so by hitting that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that like button on this video too, and follow us on all social media. Why not? It's free. And remember, craft beer is here.